Have you ever wished you could make professional-looking videos without knowing how to edit? Without recording your voice or even writing a script? Well, I just discovered a tool that I think will seriously make you go, "What?" By the end of this video, you'll see how I just typed in one sentence, and the AI literally did the rest. It's not magic, it's pure tech power. So if you're into cool AI tools that save you time and might even help you make some money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And don't skip this video. Just missing one little detail could mean missing the best part at the end. Want to sell on TikTok but feel shy about filming yourself? With just a few lines of description, AI will make a selling video for you. Today, I'll show you how to use Videogen AI to create stunning TikTok shorts, fast and easy. I've been obsessed with this tool lately, Videogen AI. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make marketing videos without ever showing their face. Step 1. Go to the website. I'll leave the link in the description so you can easily click it. On the homepage, you'll see a big red button that says Get Started. Just go ahead and click that. Create your account. You can sign up using Google or email. I prefer Google, faster and easier, so I'm going with Continue with Google. Videogen has a free plan that's great for testing things out, but it's limited in features and export times. If you're serious about making videos often, I highly recommend a Pro plan. It gives you unlimited videos for just $20 a month. If you pay annually, it drops to just $12 a month. You can pay via Google Pay, Amazon Pay, credit card, or bank transfer. I've included a discount code in the description too. Step 2. Choose a video mode. After logging in, you'll see your Videogen dashboard. Click on Create a Video. Under Select Media, pick Standard Stock for realistic visuals. For clip pace, choose Medium. For landscape, choose 9:16 vertical for TikTok compatibility. Then click Continue. Step 3. Enter your product prompt. Let's say you're selling lipstick. Ask ChatGPT for a prompt like a close-up shot of a beautiful young woman applying red lipstick. The camera zooms into her lips as she smiles. Glowing background. Fast cut, TikTok style. Add product name Ruby Kiss at the end. Adjust settings. Choose your language. Today I'm picking English. Choose your video length. From 30 seconds up to 7 minutes. I'm going with about 1 minute, which is 150 words. Once everything looks good, click the red arrow on the right. In seconds, I will write a full script for you. Step 4. Hit Generate and let AI do its magic. Boom! A finished video appears like magic. You can preview, download, and even add your own music or logo.
Confidence starts with a single swipe. As the rich, vibrant red glides effortlessly across her lips, her smile transforms, lighting up the room with a radiant energy. Each movement is deliberate, every curve accentuated, capturing the perfect blend of sophistication and playfulness. The background shimmers with a soft, glowing light, enhancing her natural beauty and drawing all attention.
Edit your video. Open the editor to adjust voiceover, music, subtitles, and more. Voiceover. Pick from hundreds of AI voices by gender, accent, or tone. Background music. Use their library or upload your own track. Tip. Balance the volume between the music and the voiceover. Subtitles. Turn on, off, adjust size, color, position, etc. For YouTube, subtitles go at the bottom. For TikTok, place them on top. Export your video. Click the Share button at the top right. Choose your resolution. I usually go for 4K. Then click Export Video. Rendering takes a few minutes depending on video length. Once done, you'll get an email with your download link. You can use Videogen to create videos for just about anything. Clothes, accessories, beauty products, home goods, handmade items, courses, personal services. No designer. No editing skills. Yet you can still create tons of videos for ads, content testing, and daily sales. If you're feeling stuck, don't wait to be perfect to get started. Let AI handle the hard stuff. You focus on what really matters, sharing and taking action. This is your moment to try, to step out, even if it's just your very first video. And just like that, you've got yourself a super professional video, all done. No editing skills, no filming, no mic setup, no complicated software. Whether you're a YouTuber, a blogger, a business owner, or just someone looking to grow online, Videogen is gonna save you a ton of time. All you need is your idea. The AI handles the rest. If you found this video helpful or learned something do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if there's another AI tool you'd like me to try out for you. Thanks so much for watching. This is AI Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.